Hey folks, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Got a solo video for you today. I'm going to show off my Char griller Akorn Jr. If you haven't been able to tell by the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing a leftover meat sauce pasta bake on this Char griller. Let me just show you how I get it set up in case you haven't seen these before. So there we go. Got a little latch. And it comes with this little tool so you can take off your cast iron cooking grate. Set that there. Now I'm going to clean out the ashes from the ashtray. There's two little latches here and slides right out. There's your ashes. Pour them in there. Shake them out the best you can. So then we'll go back in with this. Hooks on there. Spin it around. It's a little awkward, but get the hang of it. It's one latch. Come on, work with me. There we go. Let me grab my gloves. And I'm just going to clean the ashes out of the little pit box here, bowl or whatever you want to call it. There's another little grate for charcoal. There's your charcoal grate. And this little basket here comes out. Get some of the ashes out of there. No big deal. Pop that back in. Put our charcoal grate in the bottom. And then we're just going to go with some hickory. Cowboy brand hickory chunks. Don't need a ton. This is towards the bottom of the bag, so anyone that buys lump charcoal knows usually the bottom of the bag you are going to get some well, that's not going to work. You are going to get some smaller pieces, so I use those for grilling versus smoking. Just going to go with a tumbleweed. A lot of people say don't use tumbleweeds. I use tumbleweeds. Put that in there. And we're just going to light that tumbleweed. And set this bugger on here. I normally don't put it right in there, but it's been real dry here. So we're going to try to be safe and keep the fire inside that while it's getting the charcoal lit. So I'm going to go in the house and get the pasta meat sauce. I'll show you that. We're going to warm this up in the char griller in a cast iron pan. Hopefully get some kind of oven effect on it. It's probably, out of all my cooking units outdoors, it's probably the one that gets the hottest. So that's why I'm going with this today. So I'll be back and I'll show you what the pasta looks like. Peace. I'm back. Sort of. There we go. That's better. The charcoal is ready. I did about half a basket. That's all we're going to need for this. Put on these safety gloves and dump it on in there. Like I said, these are all the small bits and pieces. That'll work out just fine for this. Got the bottom vent open all the way. What I'm going to do is, this comes separate. You have to buy this deflector stone. I just think it's a good idea to put it in there. When you smoke meats on it, it's good to have that in there. Instead of the flame getting directly straight up, it moves it to the sides. These little notches, so that fits in there nicely. And Charcoal's going pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and close this up. Top vents are fully open, and the bottom is open also. So let me go inside, grab the pasta, put that together, and we'll get this cooking. I'm back. That little acorn right there is already up to 300 degrees. And it's been like less than 5 minutes. So check it out. Here's my pasta. Hopefully you can see that. Just a little penne. So we had homemade meatballs, hot Italian sausage, and pepperonis. Pepperoni. So we had this Sunday for dinner. So I'm going to share this with Aiden for lunch because I am on vacation this week. So I'm going to enjoy my food left over. There's still more, by the way. So let's go ahead and open this up. 300 degrees. We're going to set it there. We're going to keep the handle out. And we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle some great value provolone and mozzarella on here. Leftover addition. So what I'm hoping for is to get kind of that oven effect, you know, because this is poor guy outdoor cooking, not poor guy indoor cooking. So even though I did make this meat sauce on Sunday, we had that for dinner. It's so good. It's a meatball recipe I got from my mother in New York. Thank you, Mother. Pepperoni, the hot Italian sausage. Let's close that up. Yeah, it's not going to seal. Okay, but it'll still retain the heat. We're hoping to get that cheese nice and bubbly and melty and delicious, and give it a try for lunch. Come on back. All right, it's done. My mic died. Bear with me. Apologize for that. Let me show you what we're looking at. So even with this char griller cracked open, 1.5 inches, still got up to 350 degrees. Let me show you what we're looking at. Yeah, that's good stuff. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. Not doing a taste test because I know what it's gonna taste like. But the versatility of this little char griller, it's all right. It's a stellar little piece of machinery. It's fun to cook on. You can sear steaks just like that. This took about 15 minutes at the most. So that's a poor guy video for you. I'm gonna bring this in the house on a Tuesday afternoon and have some lunch. Thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button and send me a comment. Appreciate it. Peace.